Hi everyone, my name is Karen. So for today's video is we are gonna do an unboxing video. It's been a while since I've done this. So for today we are going to unbox some smaller goods item or smaller wallets from Coach outlets. So I'm gonna show this to you. I got these two stuff right here. So let's open it up. So the first item that I'm gonna show you guys is this. Look, it's Nolita 15. So I got this. It's their new collection. I forgot what it's called, but this is one of their new collection. This one is on sale, so I definitely took this one. So let's do this. This is pretty much similar with the mini pochette by LV, and this one is I got this in this color. I like the style. This is on a leather strap, not the chain, because I think some of the previous Nolita 15 is on chain. They also have that version, which is really cute. Actually, I got this for my daughter. So this is really, I can't say anything about, but it's cute. So this is the inside. So look, I'm just taking off everything. So this is the inside. So I'm gonna put my wallets in here and let's see what fits. Oh, I don't think that's gonna fit. So I'm gonna put this one in here. I also have my lip balm, my sanitizer. It still fits perfect there. And for sure my phone will not fit in here. You can use this as an extra bag or an organizer. You can put your makeup in here, or if you just want to go run for an errand, a quick errand, you can also use this one. And pretty much I think that's it, because I can't put my keys inside. So that's it. So let's see the other one. Sorry, I'm making a big mess in here. So the other one is this wristlet. I got this in I think this is the tan color. You can even barely see the Coach name here, but it's okay. So this one is a wristlet. Let's open it. It also has two pockets in the inside. So I think this one is in brown. Sorry, I'm a little bit color blind, so I think this is brown or red. I would say it's brown. So which is, I love it because it's in contrast with the color from the outside. Unlike this one pretty much is in contrast as well, because this one is in tan/yellow color, and then on the inside it's brown. So I would say this is like more darker color on the inside. So I'm just gonna transfer my stuff on this one. And so this one doesn't fit, but definitely my card wallet and my lip balm fits in here. My phone will definitely not fit in here, but yeah, this is really cute. Usually I use the smaller wallets like this as for just to organize my stuff, especially if I have a bigger bag. It's either I'm gonna use it as a makeup bag or a wallet. Actually every stuff in here I can take it out and just put it inside. It's still gonna fit okay. Or you can use it as a makeup wallet, or you can put some medicine in here. Since I have a kid, usually I have my own pouch for some emergencies, like band-aids, sewing kits, some medicines, especially if we're traveling. So this these are the two items that I've got from Coach Outlet. So if you guys are interested, you guys can check them out. I can put the description down below. I think they're having a sale right now, and I think they're giving additional 15% off. So if you guys are interested, like I said, I'm gonna put the links down below. You can check it out if you guys wanted it. And I'll see you guys soon next time. So if you guys want to see something that you want in the future, like this type of bags, just let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye, and thank you for watching.